Welcome to our first video, guys. We're so glad you found us. Today we're going to be discussing the importance of cleaning and maintaining a healthy liver. This is the vital organ that performs a wide range of functions in your body, including filtering toxins and waste products from your blood, producing bile to help digest fats, and storing energy and nutrients. So keeping your liver healthy is essential for maintaining overall health and wellness. One common issue that can affect the liver is the accumulation of fat, which can lead to a condition called fatty liver disease. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, and certain medications. We'll discuss how you can reduce your risk of liver fat and also answer the big question of whether or not liver supplements work later in the bonus section. So if I were you, I'd definitely stick around for that. On this channel, we'll talk about getting healthy, utilizing both the conventional Western medicine and the more holistic and integrative approaches advocated by Eastern medicine tenets. If this is something that appeals to you, be sure to stay around for more content like this. Now moving on to how you can clean your liver and get rid of liver fat. My first tip here would be eat the right foods. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your diet, and limit your intake of processed and fried foods. We all know this, right? But it helps to know why. Your liver filters out toxins and waste products, as well as stores energy, regulates cholesterol levels, and helps with digestion. However, when you consume processed foods and drinks, it can become overloaded and begin to accumulate fat, leading to liver damage and diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So yes, one of the most effective ways to clean and rid your liver of fat is by eating a wholesome, nutritious diet. This means focusing on nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and avoid processed and sugary foods. Incorporating liver-cleansing foods like garlic, turmeric, and leafy greens can also help support liver function. Additionally, it's essential to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water to flush out toxins from the liver. By making healthy food choices and maintaining a balanced diet, you can give your liver the support it needs to function at its best and rid itself of excess fat. In my opinion, it's a simple case of taking care of your liver so that it takes care of you. Next, exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity can help reduce liver fat and improve overall liver function. That's right, working out can have a direct impact on the health of your liver. So how does this work? When you exercise, your body breaks down stored fat as a source of energy. This includes liver fat, which can accumulate within your liver and cause problems like fatty liver disease or hepatic steatosis. By burning off this excess fat, you can help reduce the risk of developing liver issues. But it's not just about burning fat. Exercise can also improve the function of the liver itself. When you work out, your liver produces more enzymes, which are responsible for breaking down toxins in the body. This can help your liver work more efficiently, leading to better overall health. So if you're looking to improve the health of your liver, regular exercise should definitely be a part of your routine. Whether it's a vigorous workout at the gym or a leisurely walk around the block, every little bit of physical activity can make a difference. The next time you hit the treadmill or pick up some weights, remember that you're not just benefiting your muscles, you're also helping to clean and detoxify your liver. You also need to limit your alcohol consumption, because believe me, excessive alcohol intake can damage the liver and contribute to fatty liver disease. Does this mean goodbye to alcohol forever? Well, no, it mostly means that if you do choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. The recommended amount of alcohol for men is no more than 2 drinks per day, and for women, no more than 1 daily. But that's mostly based on average weight, so make your choices accordingly. This helps ensure that the liver doesn't have to work too hard to filter out the alcohol, which can help prevent liver damage and fatty liver disease. But it's not just about limiting the amount of alcohol you consume. It's also about the type of alcohol you drink. Some types of alcohol, such as beer and hard liquor, can be more harmful to the liver than others, such as red wine. So if you do choose to drink, be mindful of the type of alcohol you're consuming. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button for more videos about getting healthy. It would really help our new channel. Next, take care of any underlying health conditions. Certain health conditions, such as obesity and diabetes, can increase the risk of fatty liver disease. These conditions can put a lot of strain on the liver and lead to the accumulation of fat in the organ. The key is to address any underlying diagnoses that may be contributing to the problem. This may involve making lifestyle changes, such as eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and quitting smoking or excessive alcohol consumption. You may also need to consult with your healthcare provider to manage any medical conditions you may have, such as high blood pressure or diabetes. This next point is often contested, but I'm going to address it anyway. After all, my professional training included both Western and Eastern medical education. I'm talking about natural remedies. Some people find that incorporating natural remedies, such as milk thistle or turmeric, can help support liver health. There are also several natural remedies that can help clean your liver and get rid of the liver fat, so I'll just mention a few that you might want to try. The first is lemon juice and warm water, which is a simple drink that can help stimulate your liver to flush out toxins and improve digestion. There's also turmeric, a powerful spice that has great antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to support liver function. You can try adding it to your meals or drinking it as a tea. Another good one is milk thistle, which is an herb that has been traditionally used to support liver health and protect it from damage, and is also sometimes used as a supplement or tea. There's dandelion root, a natural diuretic that can help flush toxins out of the liver, and beets, root vegetables rich in antioxidants that support liver function. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. But these natural remedies can be a great addition to a healthy lifestyle and help support your liver's health. Now, moving on to our bonus section, it's time to answer the question of whether or not liver supplements work. Does the organ that detoxifies your body really need its own detox? Honestly, it really depends on the specific supplement and what it's intended to do. Some liver supplements may contain ingredients like milk thistle or silymarin, which have been shown to have benefits for liver health. Just remember that these supplements are not regulated by the FDA, and the claims made about them may not have a huge amount of scientific evidence. You also may have seen products or programs advertised as liver detoxes or liver cleanses that claim to remove toxins from the body and improve liver function. Know that there is hardly scientific evidence to support the effectiveness of these detoxes. In fact, some of these products and programs may actually do more harm than good by depriving the body of essential nutrients or leading to dehydration. The liver is constantly working to detoxify our bodies, and the best way to help it do its job is really to maintain a healthy lifestyle, avoid exposure to toxins, and manage any underlying health conditions that may affect liver function. By taking care of your overall health and well-being, you'll be doing your part to support your liver and keep it functioning at its best. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about liver health, be sure to leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe for more content like this.